Hey guys, what was I gonna say? Welcome back to a video. So today I will be showing you all my fidgets. I might have to do a part 2. So, and the part 2 will be up in like tomorrow or today. So, let's show you all my fidgets. First we got a puzzle ball. Wait. Okay. And then I have a lot of monkey noodles. Then we have splat balls. They're like stress balls and they stick to the ceiling. So if you guys want to see that, you can skip or you can watch it. Okay. So look. Oh no. I slapped on you guys. Okay. And then we have a puppet, a bike chain, a water, Obi stress ball. Stress balls. I think I have 2. And a banana Obi stress ball. Let me go get another Obi stress ball. It's in my room. Let's go back where I belong. Sorry guys if you hear background noises, it's because I have guests over, so sorry. So we have a DIY Obi stress ball, a lime Obi stress ball, I already said puzzle ball, water timer, another monkey noodle, marble and mash, fidget spinner, I don't know what is this called, snake, wacky track, small wacky track, another wacky track, fidget spinner, infinity cube, a big wacky track, marble and mesh, wacky balls, monkey noodle, pop tube,